So hello guys, and welcome back to another video, and we are back with another video talking about a new cryptocurrency that has seen huge improvements in the past, and that could also see some new huge upcoming opportunities we'll be talking about in this video. And we'll be explaining what this coin is doing recently, what this coin has seen in the recent past, and what upcoming opportunities we could ride and make some sweet profit. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen, and if we go back to our regular list, which is from around Bitcoin, Ethereum, you know, the regular list based on market cap. But if we look at the most moved cryptocurrency in the past 24 hours, and if we look at number 2, we see a golden opportunity. So this coin is called Siacoin. It is at a very low price right now, very low market cap. So it is at around 1 cent right now, down about 0.17% in the past hour, up around 17.39% in the past 24 hours, and up around 48% in the past week. So huge numbers that it has seen in the recent past. Let's click on it and let's take a deeper analysis of what's going on. Now, if we can see right here, it is at around 0.013 right now, up around 17.53% in the past in the past day. And our market cap, if we just take a look at the left panel, our market cap is around $735 million, up around 17.94% in the past past day. And our volume is at around $187 million, which is also up around 22% in the past 24 hours. So we are seeing huge upwards movement in this cryptocurrency happening right now. Huge potential for this also. So we can already see that 24 hours ago we were at 0.011 and we are currently at 0.013. So even just these small numbers in such a small cryptocurrency make a huge difference, because this is seeing huge improvement just in a couple small numbers in the micro sense also. So our highest number of today is around 0.01318. so that's what we are seeing right now here. And if we take a look at the 7-day, we can see it has moved up by 48.86% in the past 7 days. So if we just take a look at our graph, we can visibly see that in the first days of this week we didn't have quite a bit of movement. We just were pretty flat throughout the times. We had a little bump here from around 0.009 to around 0.1 cent. So that's where we see a little bit of jump right here, but then we again started declining. And from Feb 14, this is where we saw the coin pick up some pace and get to the current point it is at. So we are seeing huge movements happening. 50%, almost near 15%, is a huge deal for such a small coin like this to go through. And if we take a look at the 1 month, we are still back up. As you can see, we are up around 20%, and we were seeing some huge movements in the beginning of this month, but then we dipped down. We were pretty stable. Now, as you can see, we have had a huge rally in the upwards direction, and we are seeing huge momentum for these cryptocurrencies also. Now, our main point of this video, if we move over to the all-time, we can see right here, this is where we see what our potential could be. So if you look at this cryptocurrency, it is still around 28,000% from its starting point in its original times 2016. But as you can see, throughout these years we see these special peaks in these years. So back in 2018, back in 2017, 18, and through 19, we saw this huge rally upwards, and we went all the way high to around 7 cents. So we made it pretty high during this big bull rally we had in this coin, and we went to around the micro cents all the way to around 7 cents. So this was huge deals. And as you can see, it settled down. We were flat again for quite a bit of time. Just 2 years we were flat, and then we saw another bull rally. In this one we went to around 4 cents. So we keep seeing these bull rallies happening, and if you can see, we have seen that similar space between these rallies almost around 2 years, and we are firing up for another rally coming very soon. So we could possibly see the price jump to possibly even in the couple cents range, possibly in the 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, and possibly even higher, who knows. But we are just triggering another this crazy bull rally for this coin right here. As we have seen a couple years ago, we have seen a 2-year gap here, another bull rally, another 2-year gap, and we are on another bull rally. So stay tuned for this cryptocurrency. We're going to be telling you more and more about what's going to happen very soon in this cryptocurrency. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about Siacoin, and we did talk about its past, what has happened in the recent times of this crypto community, what has seen throughout the years, and we did talk about a upcoming amazing opportunity that you can ride to make huge profits for this cryptocurrency, and we did go over what a possible opportunity could be. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily crypto live streams I do on this channel, talking about any recent crypto news that we have seen, anything recent that has been happening in the crypto community. So do make sure to tune in daily on that live stream. And I also create long form content like this on this channel, talking about any new upcoming cryptocurrencies, any patterns that the big cryptocurrency are seeing. So I do talk about that on this channel as long form videos. So do make sure to check out those long form videos also. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, click the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.